Hello and hola. This is Michael Aviani with Los Cabos Real Estate, Los Cabos Vacation Rentals, and we're entering Villa Verde, which is located in the La Noria section of Puerto Los Cabos. This is a 5-bedroom, roughly 4,000 square foot villa. The kitchen has Viking appliances. Got a flat screen TV, fireplace, and the living room exits out to a beautiful pool area. Pool, jacuzzi, fire pit, barbecue, and it's just steps from the beach. This is the Puerto Los Cabos golf course, and the new villas that are being built are Ritz-Carlton. There's a Marriott hotel right around the corner to the right. And this is a great location, located on the end of a cul-de-sac. Very quiet. It's Sunday, December 12th. I'll show you the smaller of the bedrooms on the ground floor. There's a powder room. This bedroom has 2 singles, television, shower, sink. And then we'll go over to the master bedroom, which is a king-size bed. Has a king-size bed. Exits right out to the pool area. Television, great view. Like I said, these are pocket windows. They roll right back into the wall. This has a nice bathroom with jacuzzi tub. There's actually an indoor-outdoor shower here. And double sinks. Okay, so there's 2 bedrooms. And we're gonna go upstairs. There's 2 more, and there's one down underneath the pool area with a king-size bed. So there's actually 3 kings, 2 singles, and a queen. And this is the queen size bedroom, flat screen TV, great view, nice deck, good sized deck, ocean view. Down to the pool area. Nice size closet, double sinks, granite countertops, shower, and then let's look at bedroom 4. Nice catwalk up here, open floor plan. Little breeze today, so the window was closed. Okay, king size bed, flat screen TV, double sinks, large closet, and nice little deck with beautiful view down to the pool and all over Puerto Los Cabos. Once again, this is Villa Verde, and just type that in on our website, loscabosvillas.com. We've been very successful renting this property in 2015, over 100 nights, and so it's very popular. It's priced right, and we'll meet you, escort you to the property where our chef will be waiting with chips, salsa, cold beer, and margaritas on us to start your vacation right. Michael Aviani signing off from Paradise, December 2015. Have a great holiday season. Adios.